swords to rockets, the weapons used in war have evolved with time. But here's one thing in common. They're designed with the intent to kill ruthlessly. Maces, which were simple rocks mounted on sticks, were primarily hunting tools, but they proved to be efficient in smashing bones and skulls of other humans. We've come a long way since then. From submarines that can launch missiles at speed greater than sound, to missile systems that work perfectly well even in Arctic regions, here are some of the most powerful military weapons in action. Let's get started. Number 12. RS-28 Sarmat. Ballistic missiles don't get scarier than this. The RS-28 Sarmat is a liquid-fueled intercontinental ballistic missile designed to replace Russia's old SS-18 Satan ICBM. It has an impressive range of around 11,185 miles and a weight of 208.1 metric tons. The weapon itself is 116.5 miles with a diameter of 9.8 feet. It's designated a heavy ICBM thanks to its capacity to carry a 10-ton payload, while loading a wide variety of warhead options. According to Russian media, Sarmat can load up to 10 large warheads, 16 smaller ones, a combination of warheads and countermeasures, or hypersonic boost glide vehicles. Russians aren't proud of it for no good reason. Number 11. Ohio-class submarine. Here's the most heavily armored conventional strike platform in the undersea battle space, the US Navy's Ohio-class cruise missile submarines. They can carry a total of 154 TLAM Block 4 in their missile silos, and when added to the torpedo room, this gives a total of 176 full-sized weapons. This quantity of weapons is mind-blowing and remains unparalleled even by the latest Russian Navy SSGNs. Because of its remarkable speed, which is greater than 5 times the speed of sound, Mach 5, it can hit targets within minutes of identification. Its maneuverability also makes it challenging for the enemy to counter. The Americans aren't messing around with that one. Number 10. Powerful MLRS TOS-1A. The stunning TOS-1A is a powerful and unique fire support system based on a highly reliable T-90S platform. The manufacturers designed this heavy flamethrower to suppress various covered and open targets with thermobaric rockets. Its remarkable combat efficiency has been tested on the battlefield in multiple climatic and geographical zones. It has a total coverage area of approximately 430,555 square feet. Its ability to inflict damage on the enemy workforce primarily relies on the thermobaric effect, that is, with both temperature and pressure. Thanks to its shortest firing range of 1,968.5 feet, well-protected and skilled T-90S MBT platform, and short deployment time of 90 seconds, the TOS-1A is super lethal with outstanding combat capability. Number 9. Uran-9 UPD. The Uran-9 is a multi-purpose ground combat vehicle constructed by Russian military equipment manufacturer JSC 766 UPTK in 2016. When it comes to remote monitoring of enemy areas, this weapon is one of a kind. Fitted with multiple weapons and sensors, the Uran-9 improves the infantry squad's combat effectiveness while offering optimal protection for personnel. This robot complex consists of 4 unmanned ground vehicles, 1 mobile command station, and a tractor for the transportation of robots. The combat vehicle is based on a track chassis equipped with 6 road wheels, an idler, and a drive sprocket. It has a total weight of 11 tons. The weapon system has 4 anti-tank guided missile launchers with a firing range up to 3.7 miles. Number 8. AK-630 M-2 Duet. When it comes to engaging anti-ship missiles, aircraft, helicopters, and other air threats, as well as destroying small surface targets and killing visibly open enemy resources, the AK-630 M2 is the go-to weapon. It's a versatile twin automatic shipborne gun mount remotely controlled from radar or EO fire control systems when deciding station. It's designed to equip surface ships of various classes and is pretty excellent at its job. Thanks to the materials used in its construction and the gun mount designs, there is a low magnetic and reduced radar signature. It has a fantastic rate of fire, that is up to 10,000 RDS per minute, and a large reserve of ready-to-fire ammunition. Number 7. Profense M134 Minigun. The Profense M134 is an electrically driven, mechanically actuated Gatling-style machine gun with a sustained rate of fire of 3,000 RPM. The minigun can also be equipped with a dual-rate digitally controlled GCU, allowing the user to switch between a 1,500 RPM or 3,000 RPM fire rate. It fires the standard NATO cartridge and utilizes a link-fed ammunition system. A self-contained battery power supply drives the M134, and it is the most technically advanced M134 weapon system available supporting the US Defense Forces. The improved feeder sprocket eliminates the handover failure, while the enhanced splined feeder shaft ensures minimum roll pin failures and misalignments. The minigun also features a multifunctional gun control unit with an aeroclam flash suppressor providing thermodynamic cooling processes. Number 6. Bastion-P. The K-300P or Bastion-P is a Russian mobile coastal defense missile system. The letter P in the name denotes mobile, and the West knows this weapon as the SSC-5 or Stooge. The central role of the Bastion-P is engaging various surface ships, carrier battle groups, convoys, or landing craft. In some cases, missiles fired from the system can also aim at surface targets. The Bastion-P launcher carries 2 anti-ship cruise missiles with a range of 186 miles in high-low trajectory and 75 miles with low-low flight trajectory. The missile has 2-stage propulsion system using a solid fuel rocket booster for initial acceleration and a liquid fuel ramjet for a sustained supersonic cruise. After being burned out, the booster is ejected by the airflow. Number 5. BGM-71 TOS. This tube-launched, optically tracked, wire-guided heavy anti-tank missile system is produced by none other than Raytheon Systems Company. It is one of the most lethal weapons used by the US Army and Marines. This weapon system is efficient in multiple landing roles, including anti-armor, anti-bunker, anti-fortification, and anti-amphibious purposes. This next-generation launcher provides remarkable targeting and engagements. The launcher is lithium-ion powered and also allows a silent watch for 9 hours. It has other impressive structural improvements, including ergonomic hand grips, integrated day and night visibility with range-finding feature, and built-in test capability. All these features ensure maximum safety and survivability of the troops. Number 4. Bell V-280 Valor. When it comes to a great reach, consistent reliability, and agility, there isn't a better weapon than the Bell V-280 Valor. It is purpose-built to revolutionize the effectiveness of each mission while offering incredible maneuverability, reduced downtime, and better mission safety. With over twice the speed and range as current vertical lift assets, the Bell V-280 Valor soars past the finish line at 300 knots. The aircraft offers excellent control both at low and high speeds, and is classified as a Category 1 proposal thanks to its ability to meet all the requirements of the US Army. Moreover, the V-280 helicopter integrates a clean sheet design with a VTOL configuration and fuselage of composite construction. The wings are made of large cell carbon core, and the aircraft can carry up to 4 crew members and 11 troops at a time. Number 3. M2 Browning. Designed towards the end of World War I, the M2 machine gun or Browning .50 caliber machine gun is automatic, bolt-fed, recoil-operated machine gun, which is one of the US Army's most deadly weapons. It has a backplate with spade grips, trigger and bolt latch release. It is also equipped with leaf-type rear sight, flash suppressor, and a spare barrel assembly. By repositioning some of the parts, ammunition may be fed from either the left or right side. The reason why this machine gun is so deadly is that it's capable of single shot as well as automatic fire. To feed the ammunition into the weapon, a disintegrating metallic link belt is used. This weapon is ideal to use against personnel, light armored vehicles, low-flying aircraft, and small boats. Number 2. Mission Master. Designed and manufactured by Rheinmetall Canada, Mission Master is a modular autonomous unmanned ground vehicle used primarily in covert surveillance operations. It can be fitted for tactical overwatch, chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear (CBRN) detection, medical evacuation, medevac operations, and communication relay missions. This weapon is versatile because it can be configured in different modules such as cargo, fire support, and rescue. All the variants are capable of carrying out various missions. This all-terrain UGV is an 8x8 platform with a length of 9.7 feet and weighs approximately 1,653 pounds. The vehicle can hold a maximum payload of 1,322 pounds and up to 882 pounds during amphibious operations. Number 1. TOR M-2 DT. The TOR M-2 DT is a Russian-manufactured short-range air defense missile system using the TOR M-2 missile launcher station. It's specially designed to be used in harsh Arctic environments, intended to protect Russia's northern military bases, ports, airfields, supply depots, command centers, and other essential assets. The front section of the TOR M-2 DT has a fully enclosed forward control cap for the driver, operator, and the engine. The rear unit, on the other hand, carries missile launchers and radars. This system can engage pretty much all kinds of modern air targets and is one of Russia's most cherished military weapons. Alright, comment below which of these weapons blew your mind the most. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.